In Java, assignment operators are those operators which are used to assign a value. In assignment operator, we do have equals to, minus equals to together, multiply equals to, division and equals to, modulus equals to, plus equals to. So what exactly this means? Let's see this in action in Eclipse. Here in line number 11, we have created a variable called tax and we have assigned a value 1400. So equals to means that we are assigning a value 1400 to a variable called name tax. So as of now, if we run this code, what happens is 1400 gets printed, right, as part of the calculation. Similarly, this was for, let me make a single line comment here. So we do have tax is 1400. So let's see like what happens if I use plus equals to, right? It's on the same variable, I will just write tax and I'll just assign the same value as let's say 1. So what I'm trying to say here is if I do plus equals to, what it does is, let me make a comment here and explain you. So whenever I write plus equals to, what it says is like the new variable, no new value of tax will be the initial value of tax plus the current value that has been assigned. So this is what it means. So whenever you say like plus equals to, it will just go ahead and find the initial value, like over here it's 1400 as of now, and it will add this value. So let's see whether I'm saying right or not. As you can see here, it says 1400. Whenever it says plus equals to, it means equals the same initial value plus 1, right? So that is what it is going to do. It find 1400 over here in place of this, and then it went ahead and find 1 to add it. And that's how new value of tax is 1400. If that's the case, right, what happens if I do minus and equals? So let's say minus and equals. So now it means that it should be finding the initial value and then it should be subtracting minus 1, right? Let's see if that's the case. It should come 1399, right? So whenever you say plus, add, equals, minus equals, multiply equals, what it does is it will just go ahead and find the initial value and it will like whatever you just give the arithmetic operation. So let me show you one more thing here for the multiplication, and let me multiply by 2. So over here in that case what it should do is it should go ahead and find the initial value and multiply by 2, right? So let's say this should be the syntax here. So let's see whether it does that or not. Boom. As you can see here, the 2800 is there. So what it did was it went to the initial value, it find 1400 times 2. That's what it does. So kindly don't get confused whenever it says like plus equals, minus equals, multiply equals, or divide equals. What it really means is it is going to find the initial value and then multiply or add or subtract whatever is given with the value.